CPD for me. It's mandatory CPD, practical and relevant.
So moving on now to the second property case, which I found quite interesting, was the case of Wallace and Manning. And the reason I found this interesting was because the whole case was about the assessment of contributions and the court using comparable cases to make decisions in relation to what that assessment should end up being, and obviously the parties' lawyers making relevant submissions to the court in relation to comparable cases when setting out their own case. So in this particular case, the parties had been married for 27 years and had 3 children. They married in their late teens, and they'd accumulated a property pool of about $1.91 million. The property was made up of 3 pieces of real property, and on those properties they conducted a farming business. But they also had very valuable water licenses as part of that farming business, and those licenses were essential to the conduct of the farming business. 2 years into the marriage, the husband's father gifted the parties a 50% share in a farming property, and the parties purchased the other 50%. The following year, the husband's father gifted the parties another farming property, and otherwise the parties agreed that they had made equal contributions throughout the marriage, and they both agreed that they worked hard in their respective spheres and roles, and that the wife had adopted the traditional role of being at home during the marriage.